Hello everyone, I'm Dori O'Neill, and today I'm excited to talk to you about Master Affiliate Profits, the most advanced and innovative affiliate marketing platform the industry has ever seen. When you join Master Affiliate Profits, you're not just enrolling in a program, you're gaining all the essential elements to learn and succeed as a top-notch affiliate marketer. In just a moment, I'll share how you can not only succeed with Master Affiliate Profits, but also earn money faster, easier, and quicker by joining my team. Let's dive into how to maximize your potential with this incredible platform. Segment 1. Master Affiliate Profits Fundamentals. Yes, Master Affiliate Profits includes all the foundational courses and information you need to thrive in affiliate marketing. However, the path to understanding, executing, and making substantial earnings does require time and dedication. That's where joining through my Master Affiliate Profits link can significantly benefit you. Segment 2. Exclusive bonuses when you join my Master Affiliate Profits team. By enrolling via my affiliate link, you unlock free access to a series of powerful bonuses that help you accelerate your earning journey. Here's what you'll receive as a paid member. Done for you YouTube Viral Funnel. This isn't just any funnel, it's a comprehensive system complete with email sequencing and over 14 instructional videos designed to educate and convert prospects into Master Affiliate Profits members. It gives potential affiliates insights into the platform's features and benefits, simplifying their decision to join. Free traffic strategies. No need to worry about how to attract visitors. I provide you with tried and true methods to drive traffic seamlessly. 365-day email sequence. Engage your audience continuously with expertly crafted emails throughout the year, keeping them informed and inspired. Live training and support. Gain access to my Mentored by Masters program, a unique opportunity to receive live training, ask questions, and grow within a community that values your success. If you're eager to enhance your affiliate marketing experience and see results sooner, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and ask any questions you may have. I'm here to help. Most importantly, make the leap today and join Master Affiliate Profits via my exclusive link, yesshowme.com/map. I can't wait to welcome you to our dynamic community and watch you thrive under Master Affiliate Profits. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I look forward to connecting soon. Remember, success is just a step away. Take action now.